quick.
Mom! Oh, she can't hear me.
Wow,
She's
she's no
listening to
longer.
music.
Okay, never mind. She get a pass.
I showed my mom a picture of Taboo. She said that he's pretty.
I showed one of my friends that one picture of Tabo, and he was like, he probably called me a slur.
Why are you friends with these people?
No, this guy in particular is awesome. I love him. I've had him for 2 years.
La. Which part of that
Is he
is the
gay
lie?
and does he say faggot? Or is he straight and does he say faggot?
No. I decaf went in.
I didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Dude, this.
What? That's in the clip now. GG.
Yeah. Karina, you're going in the video.
That's-
1191.
Well, okay, but if you do, then I'll get you banned from the server.
Why? Calculator.
Yeah. You're just gonna have to mute this part then.
2266 plus 1191 equals
But why am I the spectral?
3,457 attempts. That is way too many. GG cat.
Alright, see you guys later. Have a great day. And see you in the next video.
Green.